Hey everybody, let me talk in this part about follow and unfollow. So, follow and follow, you mean we follow specific people and you unfollow them. So I just to get started, I want to create another user. So let me just sign out from this user by just removing the app and rerun it again with different user, different name, and try to see to have another user. So the another user want to subscribe to this user. So you could just imagine how the app work. So enter name, I say Leia. Yeah, email I will say Leia at yahoo.com. I will say password 12345. Images, I will click here to the specific image. Allow yes. I will load this image for Leia. After that, I will save to create account for Leia and log in to the system. Here we go. You see Leia doesn't see anything because she is not following for any people. So now I want to, here we go. If you see, Leia cannot see anything because she did not post anything and she is not following for any people. So how to enable following? Before I enable following, let me enable search so she could search for any tweet here. Enable search is not something complex. If I go here in the search, I see here this is the part for the searching. So just search for specific anything you enter it. When you search it, I just pass it to the load tweet, and load tweets the type of operation is search, and I pass what I want to search query, and this one when it get it, you say hey, this operation is a 3. That's mean he is looking for search query. You could make it like more nicer. You say no, I will not say 3 or 2. I will use this way. Let me just show you what I mean by that. I mean, you say search type. So just remove number because number is not the way you could work with your code. So search type dot search, the third one, search, and I'm searching in. Just you cannot write 3 in your code. So I'm searching, hey, this person, I'm doing this person, user ID, want to search to start from 0, but operation is 3, and also you pass a query for search, what he is searching for. So now when you run it, you could see something when you search, you could see exactly, she could search for cool. Something cool. I need now when let's say I do something subscribe, click here on his name. So first of all, I want to enable clicking on his name. So what I mean by that, I need to go to this part for query, for if you remember this one, for get view. I would say here, this is for tweet, for click on person tweet. So first of all, load the tweet, make the search tab his own person. That means just get the tweet for that person from 0 to 20. Then display person here, it takes view follower here. Then after that, I just taking user ID and just select, hey, this selected this person, so I could load it. Then I check if it's followed or not. So if it's following, I do something, and if it's not following, I do another thing. So if I go here, see, I go down in the progress, I say here, if he is subscribe, there is a subscribe, I set the button unfollow. If he is not subscribe, I set the button to follow. So this is just something like to show we are follow or unfollow. So now if I just run it, I have to see something. I have to see if just seeing something here. Just write cool. Click on the name. Here you go. If you see, when I click on the name, he just directly display Hussein Ahmed and display this button for me. So I could follow him or unfollow him. So how to follow this person or unfollow him? So I need to write code for this button. So this button is already empty. We already have it, but we did not write any code here for button follow. It's not something complex, it's easy, just follow and follow. So let me go back here, just look for that code. This is for button follow, this one. This is the code from 116 to 128. So just post it here. I say, hey, the operation 1 subscribe, 2 unsubscribe. If it is already following, so do operate. If you want to follow, click 1, that's mean this one. Add follow this person, so click 1 and pass the text and change it to unfollow. Else, that's mean the operation is 2. It is follow. You mean what mean 1 and 2? 1 and 2 is something in the user following script. He now in user following script, remember we passed 1 for follow and 2 for unfollow. So just let me just show you Sublime. I hope could access to it now. Control site. I'm looking for. So here is it. So user following is this one. It have one operation when you want to call secret for insert, 2 for when we call the secret for delete. So in pass 1 that's mean follow, 2 that's mean unfollow. So now if I rerun it again to see what's going on. So now let me just, I don't see anything because I'm not following anyone. Let me suppose I want to follow the one who write, searching for anyone, write cool. This person, click on it, subscribe him. Now if I click, see, I see the post for Hussein because I'm subscribing for Hussein, so I could see his post. Also I could do unsubscribe for him, and now when you write home you could not see any post. So if you see as much as people you have and subscribe, you will see their post. If I write cool in this way, Hussein subscribe, now on my home I will see the post for Hussein. Now this is Hussein. Now wait a minute, why when I go to the name of the person I cannot see his post? I have to see the post for the person, because if I go here I have here something named tweet list, and I have here operation 2, that's mean user ID equal this. Yes, I understand. Now we have a problem here, we're just loading or post, not other user post. I will tell you how to fix this. So if I go here back, where is it the part for calling user post? It is should be here is it. So wait a second, this one for having selected post, this one select user post, then if it load post. So just make sure, just take this one and add it before, so I have the user that's selected. Now I have if the operation is search tab is one person, so if here you go, if search tab is in search, so I say if the user operation equal search type dot one person, so that's mean I'm using this one, search ID, not user ID, not this ID. If you see here I am using user ID. Here is it. The user ID should not be user ID here. Now should be the person, that one person, the person ID, not my post. For that reason I did not see anything, because I'm loading my post, not the user ID post. Yes, here we go. Now I'm loading Hussein. If I click on Hussein, I have see only post for Hussein. If you see, here is it. Yes, and see I could subscribe and unsubscribe. I could also add posts. Good work. I say add picture. Unfortunately I have just only these 2 pictures. I don't know why, but yes, that's what I have. Here you go. See, this is my pictures and this is every person. Yes, here we done, and see you next.